Alligator pepper seeds have a hard coat built for dormancy. Untreated, they can sit in soil for months and do absolutely nothing. Not your fault, just how they're made. This method changes that. Alligator pepper, also called grains of paradise, is a spice plant from the ginger family, native to West Africa. The seeds inside that bumpy little pod look exactly like what you'd expect something called alligator pepper to look like. Tough, textured, and deliberately slow to sprout if you let them be. You'll need the seeds, fine sandpaper, a small pot with compost-rich soil, and a plastic bag. Here's what almost no one mentions. Take each seed and rub it against fine sandpaper, 10 to 15 seconds, rotating slightly. You're not sanding it flat, you're just roughing up the coat enough to let moisture in. That's it. This is scarification. Research from the National Horticultural Research Institute in Nigeria found this single step dramatically sped up germination compared to untreated seeds. And when it was combined with the right soil, which we'll get to, germination rates climbed significantly. Skip the step and you're planting on the seed schedule, which is apparently sometime later. After scarifying, warm water soak, 24 to 48 hours. Not hot, not cold, warm. At 24 hours, check the seeds. Viable ones will have sunk. Seeds still floating after 48 hours, set those aside. They're probably not going to make it. That's fine. Move on. Plain potting mix can technically work. A richer mix works noticeably better. Aim for something with compost or organic matter. Soil pH between 5.5 and 6.5 with decent drainage. Plant each seed about half a centimeter deep. Then, and this part matters more than it sounds, put a clear plastic bag or dome over the pot. Condensation on the inside means moisture is right, and you don't need to water yet. Keep it warm, 24 to 30 degrees Celsius, somewhere consistent. Partial shade, not direct sun. You're recreating a humid West African forest floor, in a pot, in your house. Honestly, it works. The first sprout is a small curve of green at the soil surface. Easy to miss if you're moving fast. Do not dig into the soil to check on it. This is somehow a thing people do and it never ends well for anyone involved. With this approach, first emergence arrives in weeks. Untreated seeds in plain soil can take months. Some never come up at all. The full plant matures in 8 to 12 months. No shortcut for that part. But you'll know something is actually happening long before then. Once it's up, it's tougher than it looked as a seed.